the tank I've been using for hours. And this tank, I used it for 3 hours and this 6 hours because it's 6. I made this at 12 and I made this at 3 to make this video. This is as the most stinkiest tank due to no tank shooting and ignoring using. It's like if you use this tank, it's gonna leave you. And if you this is the tank I was supposed to be. And if this opens, well, it moves. But as no tank, it's okay because he has the most tedious thing I ever seen. Give this a gift to these guys. He voted this, and he said the big tank is very jealous. Derail them! And railed them. And see you guys soon in the next episode.